Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video, we are going to talk about the quadrilaterals. In the first video, part 1, we have seen the concepts of polygons and types of quadrilaterals and their properties. By applying the concepts, we are going to do some exercises in this video. Let us start. Here, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 8 sides. Here, what we read? Sum of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to what? Sum of the exterior angle of a regular polygon. Sum of the exterior angle regular polygon is 360 degree, whatever the number of sides of a polygon. So 360 degree. Here sides is 8. So here number of sides given is equal to 8. Therefore each angle is equal to, we have to divide 360 degree by the number of sides. So that means you will get 45 degree. 8 4s are 32. Then 40, 5 8s are 40. So 45 degree is the answer for this. And how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Here we don't know the number of sides. The interior angle of a polygon they have given, right? So the interior angle is 165, right? 165. So what is the exterior angle? What is exterior angle? Exterior angle is 180 minus 165. What you will get? 15 degrees. So the exterior angle is 15 degrees. So the same. Sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Each angle here is given each angle, right? Each angle is 15 degree. Already we found from the 165. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 15. That you will get 24 sides. So 24 sides is the number of sides of this polygon. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? Is it possible? It is not possible because the sum of the exterior angle is 360. Okay, the exterior angle should be the divisor of 360. Then only it is possible. So that means exterior angle should be the divisor. Divisor means it could divise of 360. Divisor of 360 means it should divide 360 with remainder as 0. Then only it is possible. 22, if you are dividing 360, it is not possible, right? So it is very, very important point. Here, let us find the value of x by seeing this diagram. Here, let us take this as a triangle, right? A, B, C. Okay. If it is 125 degree, what about this? 180 minus 125, 55 degree, right? Similarly, here also 180 minus 125, 55, because this is supplementary, right? Then, what about a triangle concept? Sum of the exterior angle of a triangle is sum of its opposite two angles. That means 55 plus 55, 110, right? So 110 is the exterior angle of a triangle. So this will be 70 degree. Now here we have to find only the value of x. So you see 55 plus 55, 110, 110 plus 70, 80, 180. So 180 is the sum of the angles of a triangle. Here x is equal to 110. Clear? It is a quadrilateral. Let us take here A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, how many sides is the polygon? It is hectagon, right? 1, 2, 3, 5 sides are there. So here it is 60 degree. What about this angle? Here you have to find the value of x only. Okay. So it is 90 degree because it is a right angle. Here it is a right angle. So this also will be a right angle. Is here 60 means it is 120. Okay. If it is 170 means this will be 110. Clear? Now, what about this angle? Here, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 3. 5 sides are there. So, how to find angles? N minus 2 interior. Sum of the interior angle is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree, right? So, that is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 into 180. What you will get? 540. So, add this 90 plus 120, 210, 210 plus 90, 300, 300 plus 110, 440, right? So we have to find x is, this angle is equal to what? 540 minus 110 plus 90, 200, 320, 410, right? So 410. That means you will get it is 130. If it is 130, what about 130, right? What about x? X is equal to 180 minus 130, 50. Understand? What we did? We have find the angles of interior angles. Find the interior angles of all of it. What is the sum of interior angles? This is a formula what we have read, right? N minus 2 into 180. Number of sides minus 2 multiplied with 180. So total angle should be 540. We got all the angles except this. So we got this as 130. So this will become 50. Clear? So let us move to the next. Here, by using the concept of parallelogram rhombus, we have to find the value of x, y, z. Here, it is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle B is 100 degree. So in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So if it is P is 100, D is also 100, right? So we got the value of y. What about adjacent angles? Adjacent angles means y plus x. Adjacent angle is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. Here, y we got it as 100, right? So, x plus 100 is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to what? 80, right? X is equal to 80. Then opposite angles are equal. Here also it will also be 80. So here what are all adjacent angles? A and D are adjacent angles. Similarly, A and B also an adjacent angle. Clear? What about here? Here also the same. Opposite angles are equal. If it is 50, it is also 50. If it is 50, what about this angle? 130. Right? So if it is 50, it will be 130, right? Adjacent, sum of the adjacent angles is 180, or here it is the transversal of a parallel line. So alternate angles are equal. Angle y is equal to angle z. And you can say so many things. Angle y is equal to angle z. Alternate angles are equal, or 5 plus 50. 50 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to 130. So the opposite angle, this also 130. Clear? It is very easy. Just you should understand the concept. How you will understand this concept? Everyone should go through the video number 1. Then only this exercise will be very easy for you. Those who are all not seen the video number 1, please just go through the part 1, then come back to the part 2. Okay? Here it is a right angle, right? It is 90 degree. So if it is 90, Then what about x? X is a vertically opposite angle. This is 90. So 90 plus 90 plus 30, 120. What about y? Y is equal to 50, right? Y is equal to what? 60. Y is, sorry, 60 degree. You see? 90 plus 30, 120 plus 60. Okay. So here the y is vertically opposite angle. It is a parallel line. It is a parallel line. It is intersecting. Or we can say this z is equal to 60 degree. So this also 50 degree, right? So what about this? X is equal to 90, y is equal to 60, and L is equal to also 60. Here vertically opposite angles are equal. Here it is 80. Here sum of the adjacent angles are 180. So here it will be 100. So what about this? Opposite angles are equal. It is also 100. So it is 100 means what about this supplementary? This angle will be 80, right? 180 minus 100. Clear? Let us go to the next. Here, the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each angle. Here, what is the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram? Measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree, right? So 180 degree. So 180 degree we should split in the ratio 3:2. So that means 180 into 3 divided by 5. What you will get? 3 5s are 15, 6, 36. So 108, right? So what about the other? 180 into 2 by 5. What you will get? 72, right? 72. So total 180 degree. So one angle should be 108 and the other one is 72. Clear? Why? The sum of the adjacent angle is 180 degree. So we should split this 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. 5x, right? So 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 36. 3 into 36, 108. 2 into 36, 72. Clear? That's it. Now name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other. First point is bisect each other. You see what are all the concepts we have seen? Parallelogram, rhombus. For first question, parallelogram, rhombus, then rectangle, square. Okay, these are all the four will be the diagonals will be bisect each other or perpendicular. When it will be perpendicular, the diagonals will be perpendicular for rhombus and square. Rhombus and square, the diagonals bisects at 90 degree. Then what about equal? When the diagonals will be equal? The diagonals will be equal in a rectangle. In a rectangle, the diagonals will be equal. That's it. Here, we have to find the value of x and y. Here you see, what is the concept of a parallelogram? Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here, AB is equal to CD, right? Opposite sides. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, right? So AB is equal to CD. So AB is equal to CD means CD how much? 3x. 3x is equal to 18. So therefore x is equal to 6. Correct? So here x value we have got it. Then what about y? 3y, here also we can say AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal, right? So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. So 3y is equal to 26 plus 1, 27, right? So y is equal to 27 divided by 3, what? 9. So here, what is the length of BC now? 3y minus 1, 3y. So 27 minus 126. Same you are getting. The value of x is 6 here. The value of y is 9 here. Understand what we did? Just we have equate it is the form of what? Linear equation in one variable. We have equated and find the value of x and y. That's it for the day. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it to your friends. Don't forget to like this. So please go through the part 1. The link has been given in the description. Thank you.